Honorable, dear pa na kwaso boye mu kakra.
Yo, me da so much people. Much my me and the Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly no institution. Yenchemra na mekaya da you can say the local government minister Eba Honorable Ali na yeko inspection ewo Kejetia ona yenyina yiko say we have started building there where the pillars of petrol flows even minister Prebusa wants Emma you notify the developer all state Emma say omu ade no na minia enwo wa say time I say you know koye no within 2-3 days after 1 week, weekend, Saturday, Friday to Monday, and a junior Viano, before they realize our bigger and I know. It's my engineering department, you know, and work department. It decided to people at the end. It's almost notice of the command is on move, and no more, and almost Papa no question dinosaur. Or to two a few, and I show because now everyone the business district. It is all kinds of ways, man. I do, and if because of Kejetia now, you're working. He needs to come money, buy it, more years. Don't you say, a brand? Not knowing that, also the two Akuapem Twi. According to a mom coin, it says the way I move, you know. But not security experts also able. At the time we know they were trying to send commission. Commission I want to say a two Ghanaian. Or no one say why them. Now I came upon you be returning with any bullet. At the end or no other case, no a court. It's in our assembly, mission assembly created the chief executive. As to start, you know, I be up the apples. It's more than a lawyer as I notify chief executive man of assembly na money say. Papa no appear or withdraw keys to know me about the Africa. Okay. But on the assembly no you will administrative implementation and you will the lawmakers. If you is time and as of now, millions and I try to contact the chief executive. And also ABG Accra emergency enra. Okay. But the information I want to say, Enra no, the chief executive no, Kejetia developed a friend, the engineers, no more project no, and also going to say, well, already now we panel a more because it's easy, more according to information, what them the injunction is whether it's true or not, I stand for operation. Unless the free came out. The Canadian chief executive by 10 o'clock were returning about when the new man who are administrative. You know what information you cannot come out with it because there's only 2 million and say or more financial engineers here but of an awful site to work around. There was almost a dream. I mentioned here the free children's hospital and the past anymore in a family far. There are a prestigious one. Now, all my customers through the home is it? Where see dinosaur, the cigar, and so on. Say, very now. All the young ones see 6 children also to hold his hair. It's me. Now, transform it. You think on fast one. Electricity for credit, you transform. Now, I think when we be there, the way German street is over the here. Now, assembly no need to know because I don't know how powerful the money. So, if you hear the conference injunction order, if you hear the conference state, it's almost the idea of the follow or you know. But also, why we pay money? We know we require to join the area. The oil on Yadia, I think, meanwhile, my friend, very good rapport. They say, what you know, now buildings and what you know. Not compensations, you man, if you have them out. Because we cannot do this big project. Now, anyone holding now, at least if you have a store owners, shop owners, no better than one. Come back to cry video. There we are going to go be why it is to do or And then also especially at the floor, who is supporting him underground? Who is motivating him to do that? We don't know. Unless our family is not there, it's a report and it will find.
But Obama, and young Wakaka, quite dying all state construction or share dying yasi, and they are so buffum. And Kumasi will be a assembly, Monte Hoshia until Moko inspection. I said within that weekend, you know, that's where raising dino. Is it not surprising? And poems I say, quite by a crown of a pay with fast permit for that very site. Why any away? Obama.
I can even confirm the only permit. Who did? But he was arguing. Say project now under Nhyira could be that portion of the land was include the street side of the man. It's the energy our permit was that permit the amount of how long? Who's the argument?
Me too.
Yes. It's your own because the measurement strength and the man before and now will be 1 month. Now, that portion now, like it's one can on the way. It's happened while already. So,
no.
But for this thing, we should put politics aside and come up with the truth. Okay? Maybe because of political yeah. Maybe it will affect us with the same government and the several at least a year ahead of us.
Me too opposing. Me too.
Yeah, because it is all this agreement, this one in my assembly, no. I know that assembly is 3 months after the perimeter. That papa we hear the man. I am aware I was not an assembly member by then. If we are journalists, you can cross-check it. I never call. But this same is a court, no? The court says they should allow you to build. So when the case is ruling on behalf of theater, they can demolish it. And as now, case in a position.
No, but Obama.
Which government again is it facing the same problem? And you return. But people are not going to say
this is surprising. Obama. Obama.
Now they need to construct all the roads around this city here. They need to construct the drains and and because of this, I obstructed the project. And then you would have here.
Obama. Quatwa Emma contractor it's all state construction. Quite won't see dino ever hono. Court was a shell in Katemu. I mean, your dealings with the court. Well, all the documents you try when you're permitted free. I mean, that's what I really want to find out because as an court. Me too, Puma.
For your publicity,
me too.
I am not here to challenge court, but sometimes I can also make. Say something for country.
Me too.
The ruling that the man, injunction order, the man, your friend is saying, Miss All State. Yes, almost your project, let's go away 16 meters away from the building.
From which building? From which building? Obama?
From the building of the zoo. Ruling I know. They said they should go away 60 meters. But what they have coordinated is the 60 meters to the building. It tells you that in this project, that's why they just asked. So before giving the ruling of, you have to go away the 60 meters in the same before. Because the man was saying that the septic tank will be before. It is a project never affecting them. This is something. And this is called, I don't have authority to challenge the ruling of court unless maybe I'm interested to appeal. for that particular decision. And that one will lie on the General Assembly.
Okay, but we are presiding member. Sir, as a bromoso, a home metropolitan assembly versus all state construction. Come what to me? I said because 20.
We are calling the chief executive to come and bring the assembly. So we're in a system now. This is someone can in a way. This one that was an official. The air official will say we asked the chief executive about the building at Kejetia, and he says the man sent his court and the man is ready to withdraw the key. He's almost bad at Napiaka. And assembly gave him authority to say on the report from at the next assembly, which and it's a year before on the better
me too.
And only the assembly to me or the other. The assembly is not ready to discuss some issue and take decision. Everyone will that to me, but because of the annual brief, and lawyer was not around because that time he's in the course of the he's in court because of the state case. He don't discuss. He's the one to give us the legal advice. It's not my uncle.